Hi all, in my previous video, which is the first part, I covered about RNN, LSTM, sequence to sequence. In this video, second part, I will cover the rest of the things for text generation before transformer. Let me give you my introduction. My name is Dr. Ayan Debnath and you are watching AD Academy. I am an alumni of IIT Delhi and I have 9+ years of experience in the field of data science, AI, machine learning, deep learning. So let's start. Natural language is very difficult to process. Say for example, if your model or the architecture is seeing few words, then it is very difficult to predict the next word. But if the model or the architecture is seeing lots of past few words or sentences, then it will be easy to predict the next word or the next text or for the completion of the text. Thus, the model should have an understanding of the sentence and the context in which it has been constructed. Understanding of the context and relevance is very important in NLP. These languages in general is very difficult. Let me give you examples of homonyms. Homonyms. Homonyms are the words which have two different meanings. Let me give you an example so that you can understand in a better way. She saw a bat and ran near to it. Here the word bat can have different meaning. It can be that it's an animal. So she saw a bat which is an animal and ran near to it. Or it can be bat means actual bat like with which you play cricket. So it is cricket bat. So these two meaning are different. So other is cricket bat. So it means that she saw a cricket bat and ran near to it. So this word has two meaning and as a result the sentences have different meanings. So our model or the architecture should see more and more sentences or more words so that it can actually understand the context in which it has been said, and thus the model or the architecture can predict the next word and it can in a better way can do the completion of the text generation. Language is actually very difficult to understand. Let me give you another example which is syntactic ambiguity. It means that structure of a sentence allows different meaning or interpretation. Example, I saw a man with telescope. So here it can have two different types of meaning. First one is that I saw a man who is holding a telescope. Okay, it can be of one meaning, and if you see it can have another meaning. It means that I saw a man using telescope. It means that I saw a man using telescope. Okay. So it shows that English or any language is very difficult. It can have different words which can have different meaning, and as a result the context understanding is very important. Even there is syntactic ambiguity, which means that the structure of the sentence is very important. That sentence can have different meaning, and based on whatever sentence it has been there before that sentences is very important to understand or to give an idea about the context of the whole paragraph. Thus, the words before and after plays a very important role, and thus understanding the context and the relevance of it is very important in natural language processing for text generation. See you soon in my next video. We will talk about details of architecture.
We'll be right back.